got funny to step back. Constantly online, causing me setbacks. Ooh. Every day see so many people doing the things you do, and they're doing it better too. Whoa. It's like, why should I even try when there's always some other guy who's way ahead of you, but makes it look easy? Why would they need me? Oh, I hear it now. I'm just being needy. I try not to envy you, to get angry. You do it better than me. I try not to hate myself, to lose confidence, but you always do it better than me. I just wanna be loved like you. I just want them to see me too. Just wanna be the one they choose. Yeah, I just wanna be loved. That's really, really cool for you. Yeah, everything you do is cool. It's kind of unbelievable. It's also unachievable. Yeah, almost inconceivable. I'll never do it like you do. And I know I'll grow in a whole supposed to be, but self-doubt comes easy, and I've tried almost everything, but it just hasn't worked yet. I try not to envy you, to get angry. You do it better than me. I try not to hate myself, to lose confidence, but you always do it better than me. I just wanna be loved like you. I just want them to see me too. Just wanna be the one they choose. Yeah, I just wanna be loved. Ooh, I hate comparison, cause it makes me feel lesser than striving for perfection, thinking somebody will see me then. No, don't get me wrong, really want everybody to succeed, but can we start with me? Like, why was it her and not me? Why was it her and not me? Wish someone could redesign me, to not have the style to find me. Why was it her and not me? Why was it her and not me? Envy is gonna blind me. Why was it her and not me? Better than me. Try not to hate myself, lose confidence. I just wanna be loved like you. I just want them to see me too. Just wanna be the one they choose. Yeah, I just wanna be loved. He smiles wide, cause he's the center of attention now, and he feels good about it. And she takes a bow, cause she's the center of attention now, and she feels good about it. But I'm avoiding eyes every time that I'm out, cause it's scary being seen in daylight. Like if they're looking close, then maybe they might see right through me, see right through me. And I don't know why I just can't have it, what everybody seem to take for granted. Wondering if I'm from another planet, somewhere far away. I might as well be on the moon, probably be as confused as any other afternoon, freaking out here in my living room. I might as well be on the moon, never really get used to the things that everybody else do.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, specs, and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so I am definitely serving y'all Grandma Betty, okay? Tell me I'm not Grandma Betty. Like, I am really feeling this wig, y'all. But let me go ahead and get into the details and specs before I give you my pros and cons on this unit. So the unit I am rocking, it is their 13 by 4.5 salt and pepper human hair body wave wig. I do have it in 20 inches. This unit was sent to me by Soul Lady Hair. Shout out to y'all because, honey, I'm feeling it. Like, but anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and go on the site and give you guys some more details and specs on this particular unit. So on the site it says Silver Luxe Gray 13 by 4.5 HD lace full frontal wig, body wave, human hair, salt and pepper for older women. So it does say on the site it is for older women, honey. I am giving. I mean, I'm an older woman, but not, okay? I'm 36. I feel like the salt and pepper is, these days, honey, the salt and pepper is for everybody. But I feel like you get salt and pepper hair like, you know, your mid-50s. I say that, but my auntie hair is completely blonde, girl. And my mother-in-law only wears black. And both of them are in their late 50s and chef's kiss. I cannot wait to be them. But I'm saying that's like what I think is when you get salt and pepper hair. This unit is available in 12 to 20 inches. It is only available in standard salt and pepper. You can get the lace pre-cut or not. If you do get it pre-cut, it's an extra $4.99. Okay. I would say get the pre-cut because, honey, the pre-cut is cutting. So it says the item is Soul Lady silver gray hair 13 by 4.5 HD lace full frontal wig for seniors. It's 100% human hair, no fibers and no synthetic hair. It's 150% disty, but honey, baby girl is thicker than my baby cousin Ashley, honey. So I don't know. It's definitely giving me my grandmother's hair. Like, it is the texture and everything. Child, anyways, is the texture is natural wavy body wave hair. It is available in 12 to 20 inches. The hair features pre-plucked with natural hairline, 100% true to length, no tangle, no shedding, curled, soft, no impurities, no strange smell, can be straightened, bleached, dyed, permed, durable, and reusable and styled. I concur to all of that. Okay, girl. It says the lace material is Swiss lace, free part, middle part, and side part are all available, comfortable, and breathable. And as I stated, is a 13 by 4.5 HD lace, ear to ear full frontal HD transparent lace, fit your scalp color perfectly. I concur with all that. It is a 22 to 23 average cap size, which is basically a medium, and the cap construction, it says elastic wig cap with combs ×4, adjustable straps, and elastic band. All of those I concur. Now, as far as it being pre-tweezed, I feel like old girl is tweezed to perfection. I feel like this lace is perfection. I have started using a new melting spray. This is by Gulpil. It's a melting spray, and y'all, this spray is A1. Like, I love it. You're gonna need some type of adhesive thing to take it off, like the stuff that takes off glue, because oh girl, don't play. I'll put this in my Amazon store and you guys can check it out. But yeah, I love this. I used that and I feel like it adhered perfectly. I feel like it melted perfectly. I love the overall look of it. Like I said, it came pre-tweezed, it came pre-cut, it came pre-curled. I have not added one single curl to this unit. I was going to, like, I have my curlers plugged in, and then I was like, oh girl, you're giving May Jane, honey, okay? And as you guys, a lot of you guys know, I am in mourning, and this just definitely gave me my grandmother's hair. Whenever she rolled it, like, this was the vibe. So, and this is what it feels like, and it's thick. It's like a yucky sort of texture. I feel like it makes it extremely natural, especially if you are an older lady. I feel like this unit will look really, really natural and pretty on you. As far as the cap size, I feel like the cap size is, it does say it's a medium cap size, but I feel like it is more so medium to large head friendly versus small to medium head friendly. I did have to cut the lace on the side. I should have shown you guys that just so it could fit in this general area for me. You guys know I got some gals on me, honey. So yeah, I cut that, and I have excess lace that I got tucked in over here. So I feel like this particular unit is definitely more medium to large head friendly. Maybe they offer it in a smaller size, but yeah, overall I feel like just the standard cap size is more medium to large head friendly. And yeah, as far as shedding and tangling, I have experienced a little tangling. I haven't noticed any shedding, but I have experienced some tangling. I expected it. This is like, literally, it feels like salt and pepper hair. If you guys have ever felt salt and pepper hair, like salt and pepper African American hair, it feels like that. And I feel like that's what gives it its overall natural look. I love the way it feels, but yeah, I did experience some tangles, but I wasn't mad at it. It was nothing to write home about. So yeah, that's pretty much it as far as the details, especially if you're interested in my pros and cons, as well as the full 360, then please continue to watch. Alright, y'all, so at first I was going to say I don't have any cons with this unit, blah, 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 but my con is going to be, it is a 13 by 4.5, okay? That little 0.5 didn't help a lot. You guys know how I feel about the 13 by 4s, and this is where this unit stops. That's why I did my little curve part. It's not a huge issue, but you guys know how I feel about 13 by 4s, okay? So yeah, that's going to be my con. My pros are, I love the color, I love the texture, I love that it came pre-cut, and I feel like it's ultimate beginner-friendly wig for an older person. I love that it's geared more towards seniors, honey, okay? Because seniors can be baddies too, honey, okay? Seniors can be baddies too. Whether you're in your early 60s or your late 70s or your 80s, honey, you can be a baddie too, and I love that for us. I love that for us. So those are my pros with this unit. Yes, I would recommend this unit, and I would definitely recommend it to my older girlies that is not afraid of a little gray. Honey, I know we be scared of the gray. I love gray. I know when I get older, Chrissy's gonna wear gray. I love gray. I know I'm probably gonna still wear the 1Bs and some color too, but I know I'm gonna be okay with gray because, honey, own it. Girl, okay, own it. That's nature. I always tell my kids when they be talking about, you're old, you only got two options in this life. Either you're going to get older or you're dead. Okay, so olderness, come to Chrissy. So like I said, yes, I would recommend this wig. All right, y'all, so I'm going to go ahead and give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. This is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, once again, shout out to you, Soul Lady Hair, or is it Soul Lady Wig? I'm not sure. Shout out to you for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly, truly do appreciate it. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. If you have any questions or comments or any of that thing, sound off down below in the comments. I am interested in your thoughts and opinions. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not going to cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm HotTtt on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Love completely. Got every styles and weekly. Disastrous beauty.